In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone admin on Connecteam. If you need to give another team member administrative access in Connecteam, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. The main idea is that you'll go into the user management area, open the admin settings, and then choose whether you want to promote someone who already exists in the system or create a brand new user profile for them. To begin, open your Connecteam dashboard and go to the Users tab from the left sidebar. This is where Connecteam stores and manages the people in your organization, so it's the starting point for changing roles and access. Once you're in the Users section, look at the top of the page and click on the Admins tab. This area is specifically for managing admin level users, which makes it easier to separate regular employees from people who need elevated permissions. Next, go to the top right corner and click Add Admins. This opens the setup flow for assigning admin access. At this point, you'll choose between two options. You can select Promote Existing User if the person is already in your Connecteam account. This is the best option when the employee already has a profile and you simply want to upgrade their access. If the person is not yet in the system, choose Create a User instead. That allows you to set them up as a new user before giving them admin permissions. After that, you'll assign their specific management permissions. This is an important part of the process, because Connecteam lets you control exactly what an admin can manage. For example, you may allow access to areas like time clock, forms, or the job schedule depending on that person's role. It's a good idea to only enable the permissions they actually need, so access stays organized and secure. You'll also assign the smart groups they're allowed to manage. Smart groups help define which employees, teams, or parts of the organization that admin can oversee. In other words, this helps you limit their scope, so they're managing only the relevant people and workflows. Before finishing, take a moment to review the permissions and group assignments carefully. A small check here can prevent confusion later, especially if multiple admins have different responsibilities. And that's it. Once you save those settings, the user will have admin access based on the permissions and smart groups you selected. That's how to make someone admin on Connecteam quickly and correctly.